guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have some fabulous products to share with you. Things that I've really been loving lately. I don't do videos like this a lot, but I do have quite a few things in this bag that I want to share with you because they're fabulous products and I think you might like them too. So I thought I would share them. I have a couple of Coach reveals. Yes, I already opened them. So if you want to see what all I have for you guys today, stick around. Alright guys, before we get going, let me invite you to join my Fam Jam. Yes, I am working diligently to get to 7K. I would love to get to 7K for my birthday in May. So, I need everybody. If you're watching me and you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe and get everybody in your family to subscribe. I was gonna say I don't have to watch, but I really need you to watch. I would love it so much if you guys would subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. All right, guys, let's go ahead and let me share with you my bag of the day. This is my beautiful Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene Speedy. It's just the classic style. I prefer the classic style Speedies, and you can see I have her adorned with two different Louis Vuitton charms. And I thought this was really pretty. I have this one on my bag. What bag was I carrying last? I thought this was really pretty to put both charms on it together. Anytime it's bad weather, this is my go-to bag, and I love this bag, you guys, and I've got her packed full. Now let me share with you something. Let me put her on my bag. This is, you guys, just wait. So I've been using it like this. Now, I'm gonna tell you that my husband thinks it's ridiculous, but what does he know about bags, right? Okay. Now, you guys, I know if you're watching me, you probably know who Big Booty Judy is, right? Winnie B. LV's bag. I think Big Booty Judy, she might even be Winnie's alternate ego. Every time Winnie says Big Booty Judy, it just cracks me up. So, I ordered a Coach charm, and it is so, so cute. You guys, I've been sporting it like this. Now, I know, I know that I said I'm not a big bag charm girl, but I'm kind of digging this. Now, it does look funny, but that's the best part about it. I don't know, you guys. And when I went down and I showed it to Keith, he said, "What is that? You put a Coach charm on a Louis Vuitton bag?" I said, "Yeah? What's wrong with that?" And I thought, you know, she's tiny and she's adorable. So I just want to introduce to you guys little tiny Booty Tootie, okay? Forget about Big Booty Judy. This is Tiny Booty Tootie. And I think she's cute. This little charm is so cute. I'm going to take it off my bag. I can't. Okay. Look how cute she is. Now, I do think she would be a lot cuter if I can get my hands on the mini Rowan. I think she would be a lot cuter on the mini Rowan. But why not put her on my Louis Vuitton bag? I think little Booty Tootie, I think she would dress up any bag, you guys. What do you think? Tiny Booty Tootie, okay? So there's a new girl in town. Forget all about Big Booty Judy. It's Tiny Booty Tootie. And she is living her best life right here on my Speedy. I think it's cute, okay? I really do. It's ridiculous, but what else are you going to expect from me, right? Okay, so that's my bag. All right, so since I just showed you Tiny Booty Tootie, let me share with you my reveal, and it is just the regular Coach Cherries card case. Now, you know I have the other one. Let me run and get it so I can share it with you as well. Okay, this is the new one from the Coach outlet, and it is a smoother leather, and it does have the window. It does have a opening here on the top. You can put something in there. And then it has 1, 2, 3 card slots right here. Now, this one is silver hardware, and the cherries, they don't have the glitter, okay? That's the difference. Now, this one, I had offered it to you guys for sale and nobody wanted it, and now I'm glad, because once I got that one, I thought they are quite different. I love cherries, what can I say? But this one is from Coach, from retail, and the cherries have the glitter, okay? The hardware is kind of antique gold looking, and it has the horse and carriage on it. This one zips like that, and you can put, you know, some dollars in there or whatever else. It also has this. You could put your key in it, but I never use that. It also has, you know, this opening where you can put your identification, and then on top of it, there's there's another card slot here, or you could put a couple of cards in there. So actually, they're a little different. One is from Coach Retail, and this one is from Coach Outlet. So that's the difference. Those are my 2 Coach reveals. When they came in, I thought, I'm just gonna open them. I know you guys are sick of me and my Coach unboxings lately. I'm even sick of it, you know what I mean? But I've got some really good things to share with you guys today that I think you're really gonna love. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so I'm really excited to share with you my latest find. Now, I have insomnia. I will lay there for 2 hours and not be able to nod off while Keith's over there snoring away. I have tried everything, and so I was taking gummies for a while, and I just don't like the way they make me feel, you guys. I don't want to wake up feeling high as a kite, because when you sleep, your digestive system is resting, and you're not really digesting, and you wake up and you feel high as a kite, and I don't like that. It makes me want to go right back to bed. So I want to wake up feeling refreshed and feeling good like everybody else. So I found this, and it's called Magnesium Butter, Sweet Bee Organics. I found it on Instagram. I went and checked out the company and thought, I'm gonna try it. I don't have anything to lose. You guys, I've been using this magnesium butter for a week, and you guys, so far so good. And it smells so good. It smells like lavender, and you know, lavender is also another ingredient that supports sleep. And this stuff, so far, you guys, like I said, I'm only a week into it, so far so good. I'm so confident about it that that's why it's in this video. But it came with this pamphlet that tells all about the company. And the way you use this, you put it on the bottom of your feet, on the soles of your feet, to help you sleep. And I like to put it on. I have found that don't do it right when you go to bed, because that's what I did at first. I like to put it on at least an hour, hour and a half before I go to bed, because this will get into your system. And then I like to put some cozy socks on to keep it, you know, on my feet. It really helped me. The first night I woke up, I thought, or after the first night of using this, I told Keith, I really slept well last night. I mean, it was a miracle, you know? You can also put it on the back of your calves for restless legs. I also have that, you guys. When you get over 50, things start happening. And they're not good. It helps with migraines, and you can put it right here on the temples and just massage it in. It helps with hot flashes, mood swings, anxiety. It helps you sleep better, so therefore you're gonna feel better. It helps, as I said, with leg cramps, neuropathy. It helps with a hangover, which I rarely drink, so I'm good. Pregnancy. I don't think I'm gonna be pregnant anytime soon. But there are just so many reviews. Somebody said, this is fantastic stuff. This cream is so good. My husband has even started using it. And then somebody else wrote, sweet sleep changed my life. You guys, I really hope it changes my life. Somebody says, OMG, this cream is magic. And I'm starting to think so, because I definitely definitely can tell a difference. And I'm not having to take a gummy. I don't take sleeping pills. They make me go crazy. So I don't do that. But you guys, this has helped me tremendously. So if you suffer with insomnia the way I have, especially the last several years, I feel like this is going to be something that I'm going to probably order on recurring orders. I wanted to try it out, and so far so good. So that is the first product that I wanted to share with you guys that I'm super, super excited about. I can't talk this much about everything because I have a bag full of stuff. You guys, as you get older, you'll notice that your skin starts getting crepey, and mine was never like that until really maybe the last year or two. I thought I have got to start moisturizing my body. I mean, our skin is the largest organ on our body. I take really good care of my face. I use great skincare. What about the rest of me? When I was in Philly with Dawn, we were at Anthropologie, and Dawn told me this might be something that I would be interested in, that she absolutely loved it. It smells so good. It's made with almond oil. It kind of has a lemon, kind of a lemony flavor. I don't drink it. Scent, kind of a lemony scent, really clean. So I go ahead and I wash with my regular soap. And then when I'm finished, I like to put this all over my body. And I love this stuff, you guys. So this is something I'm never going to be without. But I will link this below for you guys. When I was at Walmart one day, my daughter picked this up. And I said, hey, I need some of that. It's cheaper. But you guys, I think it's just as good. I mean, I like them both. And this one is a prebiotic lemon balm. And it helps keep your skin in a healthy balance. It has jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, the same as the L'Occitane, and aloe vera. And you guys, I kind of alternate between this and this. I love this stuff. I mean, I'll never be without either one of them. I love, okay? So these will be in the description box. These are great. If you have dry skin, aging skin, this is something that really will, I think, change the look of your skin, because I can definitely tell a difference. So this is the more expensive version, and this is the least or the lesser expensive version. So now I have something exciting that my daughter turned me on to. Actually, she turned me on to both of these. This is Autocorrect by Sunday Riley, and I got it at Sephora. Is that showing up? Sephora. It's a little bit pricey, about $69, but you guys, this is worth it. This is another thing that I will never do without. I don't really get, sometimes I get puffy, but more than anything, I look a little hollow under my eyes, but this stuff makes my eyes look so much more revived and youthful even. I love it. I only use it in the morning under my makeup. I don't put it on at night, but I just squirt out a little dab and put some here and here. I put it all under my eyes, all around. So I absolutely love this Autocorrect by Sunday Riley. This will be in the description box below. The next product is by Hermes, and I unboxed this not long ago. This is the Hermes eyebrow pencil. It is pricey. It's number 87. Brun Encore. You guys, love. It's $50, okay? $50. And you can go to Walmart and get a brown eye pencil for what, $7? I love the formula, meaning I love the texture of it. Like when I use it, it's not too soft, but it's soft enough. It makes a really, really good eyeliner. I don't use it on my brows, but I use it as an eyeliner. And then on this end, it has a little smudgy, so you can use it as your eyeliner. So you can put it on your eye and then blend it in exactly. You can even kind of bring it out on a cat eye if you want. But you guys, I love, love, love the formula. I think that it's fantastic. Really good makeup is pricey, but you guys, I think it's worth it. It lasts longer. I think it just looks, It looks better. Dawn is the cause of all this, okay? So if we're gonna blame anybody, we're gonna blame her, because she's a very bougie person when it comes to makeup, skincare, hair care, all that stuff, you guys. And her panty drawer, it's very bougie. Don't tell her I told you guys, okay? Yeah. This will last me a really long time. So yeah, it's 50 bucks, but I love it. You only live once. So now I am always looking for the perfect highlighter. Now I do have the powder highlighter by Hermes. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite powdery highlighter, but I wanted something that looked creamy, and I found something when I was at Ulta one day, and it's by Tarte, and it's the Glow Tape, and this is it. This is what it looks like. All these products will be listed below if you guys want to try them out. I am obsessed, okay? Love this stuff. I have it on today, if you can see a little bit of glow, okay? It's not really a shimmer like a powder. It's a glow. It's like a glow from within. That's the way I feel about it. I put it, and it's late, you guys. It is 9:55, and I have been dressed all day long, running around like crazy. That's why I look like a hot mess. But I never retouch up my makeup, only my lipstick. And it's still, you can still kind of see it, right? It looks like a glow from within. It's not like highlighter powder. So let me show you what it looks like. When you open this up, there's like a little sponge applicator. You see that? And you twist it like that, and then you squeeze it, and then the product kind of comes out here, and then I just kind of dab it on my face. I've got a mirror here. There's still a little bit left on there, but I've got this a sponge that I use, and I will list below also the makeup sponges that I love. You can get a whole bag of them. I can't think of the name of them. From Amazon, they're great. So then I just kind of dab it a little bit on my nose, and it's just a really natural glow. I've had my makeup on since about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock this morning. Look at it. You can still, it's a glow from within. Need I say more? All right, guys, I really do hope that if you get them and try them out, I think you'll be really pleased. I really do, because I am loving these products. So I just wanted to share them with you guys, and I'll be back on Saturday. I've got a handbag unboxing. Oh yeah, I do. A handbag unboxing. What can I say? All right, I've enjoyed doing this video for you guys. I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of the week, and I will see you again very soon. Peace.